Comment to my previous video. When you see things like this, it's worrying. They're priming the people for war. And I reply, exactly what they are doing. Their defense apparently is that they are simply making mistakes. When you see a pattern of deception, you really have to wonder how screwed up the minds are that write these deceptive news articles. For example, Iran, the second largest producer in the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, has maintained that its nuclear program is to generate power. That is devious reporting. As my video, "Don't Let Them Trick Us into Another War" shows. If you want more background information, click here to help support this channel. Make sure you subscribe. You can subscribe to the other channel, Rep Press, which features sometimes Creative Commons content. Very easy action. Just click here to help support this channel.